Namaskar everyone, I am Pragati Kaushik from Subodh Public School. Welcomes you all for this entrepreneurship workshop. Recently, our Defense Ministry also announced that by 2024 we will ban all our 101 component of defense equipments. Means we will manufacture everything. So now this is a golden opportunity for all young minds, and we are here as a teacher who motivates and influence their interest toward entrepreneurship. So, with this thought, IIT, ECEL, and Subodh Public School, in coordination with, organized this workshop.
These young minds are full of ideas. Only thing is that they need some kind of platform, they need some kind of encouragement. This encouragement certainly is a good thing and a wonderful thing, that a teacher can very easily look up at the student for these kind of ideas, and how these ideas can be transformed into reality so that the students get motivated. So in this chain of sessions, we thought that why not to invite, why not to look for the actual, like striking the right chord. And the right chord is that uh, going and calling at this platform, because technology has really made the reach so easy, so accessible. Only thing is that, yes, certainly we remain very busy nowadays attending one or the other session online. So today we have a wonderful guest from right from IIT, Mr. Amit, and he is kind enough to spare his time out of his busy schedule to take up this session, since we requested him that, Jaipur has a very good potential, and Jaipur being the hub of not just a tourist but of textile and many much more kind of small little business which people are doing, and many people are doing right from their generations. I welcome Mr. Amit and rest all of you. I can see some friends as well as some wonderful teachers, those who are here for this session. Welcome to you all. And yes, certainly for learning, for teachers, there is no evening or no morning. Every time they look forward for positive ideas. That's the best part of a teacher. And it shows that, yes, we are learners, and every time we are looking for some better ideas. So I welcome on behalf of Subodh Public School, as well as on my personal behalf, to Mr. Amit specially, and to all dear friends, those who are attending this session. I may not be able to say the name of everyone, but all dear friends, you are all welcome. And yes, they are not just from Jaipur only, but they are friends, those who are from different parts of the country, I can see. So that's a wonderful thing. And thank you for coming together. Without taking much of your time now, I would request Mr. Amit to be on the screen. Mr. Amit, please.
So my namaskar to all the teachers out there. And the way ma'am said that this is a evening time where all of you have all the opportunities and possibilities and options to be with your kids, with your family, with your fellow students, with your fellow friends, but still you are trying to learn something new. So entrepreneurship, the way I was saying, that this is a very long journey. It's no more a buzzword, it's a career choice. But before we move on to that, the first thing is how to conceive a business, how to conceive a business model. As soon as any of us gets an idea, whether it's a school kid or a professional working somewhere, or a teacher like you, or an entrepreneur like me who has done this multiple times, or a student like Yash who is there in his college right now. So anyone who is conceiving the idea, getting the idea first time, how do we validate whether the idea is making sense to us? And before we actually come to something where we start spending money, before we come to some stage where we start taking it forward, there is some exercise in between which is done, and that exercise is called shaping the idea into a business model. And we are going to touch upon that thing today. So I'm going to share a framework with all of you, a journey with all of you, where I'll take you through the step-by-step process that what kind of questions we are supposed to ask. So as soon as any kid will come to you and or a student will come to you and will say that, okay, ma'am or sir, this is the idea which is coming to my mind. Tell me or guide me, how do I take it forward? I am going to give you 9 questions, overall 9 questions, which you are supposed to ask that kid and to yourself. If you ask those 9 questions to you and to that kid or student, you will be able to guide them step by step. Whether the strategic alliance is the mechanism or co-opetition agreement is the mechanism, or you want to make them partner, that kind of decision you have to take. So here I am with the question and answers now.
And it was a good learning experience for me that all this is perhaps not being taught, or maybe when it is taught in the class, it is taught in a very theoretical manner.
Yes.
And that could be the reason that the student doesn't understand or doesn't like these subjects. So it was very insightful when I was listening and trying to correlate with these kind of things also.
I'm sharing, ma'am. When I was taking entrepreneurship subject, it is such an interesting subject, with the Prime Minister's name of Atmanirbhar Bharat. This has increased the scope of entrepreneurship in the school also. And children take it with great interest. And there are ample of opportunities in this which make the subject even more interesting. And sir has so nicely explained and made the session very interesting. Thank you so much for organizing, Kamal ma'am. Thank you, Amit sir. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Namaskar to everyone
you,
once
Amit.
again. Have a lovely evening. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Amit, for a wonderful session. It
Thank you,
was
ma'am.
really so well explained by you,
My pleasure.
and I'm sure that the friends are going to make it more student friendly, and we are looking forward to more entrepreneurs. Thank you for that.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, Yash.
Okay. Good evening, all the sir, ma'am. I'm a student at IIT Bombay. I'm currently in my 3rd year. So I'm a part of an organization called the Entrepreneurship Cell, or as Pragati ma'am has mentioned, eCell. So basically, we have multiple events, initiatives, competitions throughout the year that promote and uh, help the spirit of entrepreneurship, help entrepreneurs grow, help startups grow. One of our major initiatives is called Eureka Junior. Eureka Junior is a business plan competition for school students, and this session was basically organized so that all of you would have a better idea of how to guide your students in participating in the competition. But completely based on entrepreneurship, and that will help them gain more knowledge about entrepreneurship. So similar to the content you saw today, right now, we'll also be giving them, brochures, handouts, booklets for them to read up on, and then they get to sit for the exam. They get to develop their own entrepreneurship knowledge. So outside of the fact that they have to develop their own idea, we want them also to develop their knowledge.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Yash. Thank you, everyone, for joining.
Thank you, Yash, for such a wonderful explanation, and thank you for bringing Amit on this platform. I'm sure my friends must have got benefited by this. And yes, it may not be a competition, but it is to encourage students to, the young ones rather, the young ones to think differently and innovatively, because that's the need of the hour. And it was good that that so many learners from across the country join into this. So this is how we are trying to reach. And again, there is no boundary nowadays. We can go ahead out of Subodh Public School or Jaipur or Rajasthan. We are looking forward for more such collaborative kind of things. And of course, this is just a start. I'm sure things will be better. So thank you to all the listeners so patiently, all the teachers, all the mentors, all of you for sparing your time and attending. And special thanks to the resource persons as well as to Pragati ma'am for making such efforts. Thank
Thank
you
you.
all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.